Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm going to show you a hidden parasites on your computer with Windows 10 and Windows 11 which eating up your RAM. Often, our computer running slowly due to applications or heavy services we use. But besides this, Windows has a parasite that eats up our memory and doesn't give significantly benefits for us. So in this video, we will find it and disable it. Without further delay, let's get it started. On our computer with Windows 10 or Windows 11, open Run window. On keyboard, press Windows key plus R key together and type here services.ms and hit enter. This will open Services window. Here, just scroll down until you see the service called Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. This is the first parasite. This is a service that we as regular users don't need, but it uses system resources to collect data about how we use Windows and send it to the manufacturers. Firstly, I don't want to send any data to manufacturers about how I use my Windows and my computer, because privacy is important to me. Secondly, these processes constantly eat up my RAM, thereby slowing down my computer. So that's why I recommend right-click on it, further stop this process, and further right-click again on it and select here Properties. Here, Startup Type, click on it and select Disabled. Click Apply and further confirm it. The next parasite is a setting that constantly loads the processor and memory and is also enabled by default on all computers with Windows 10 or Windows 11. So to find it on your computer if you have Windows 10, first of all, I will show you how to do this on Windows 10 and further how to do this on Windows 11. If you use Windows 11, right-click on Start, further select Settings. Here in the left pane, select Windows Update and open up Advanced Options. Scroll down to Delivery Optimization, open it up, and turn off Allow Downloads from other devices. If you have Windows 10 computer, on your computer, on Start, right-click and select Settings. Go to the Update and Security. Next step, select here Delivery Optimization and turn off Allow Downloads from other PCs. Because of this, the update that you have downloaded are constantly being sent from your computer to other computers. This uses up your internet traffic, meaning your internet speed will be lower because of this, and of course, your computer itself will slow down. And finally, let's clear the memory of the RAM on our computer. To do this, we will need dedicated application. Open your web browser. Here, search for RAM map. Open up Microsoft website and download official application from Microsoft. Click on Download RAM map. Further, open up this application. And now, for example, I will show you how much of my RAM memory is currently in use and how much can be freed up. So to do this, I will open up Task Manager and open up Performance tab. Further, select here Memory. And as you see, almost 2 GB of my RAM memory is cached. Further, I go to this application RAM map and tap on Empty. After that, select here Empty Standby List. And now, as you see, my cached memory only 300 megabytes. That is, now those 2 GB are freed up and I can use them for my own purposes. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.